Hello, in this video we're going to do a long-run equilibrium problem in perfect competition. Firms in a perfectly competitive market each have the following long-run average cost. So this equation here, long-run average cost equals the following. We want to know what the long-run equilibrium price is, quantity, and profit of the typical firm. So the long-run equilibrium price will equal the minimum point of the long-run average cost curve. That's where the slope is going to be 0 on that curve. So we need to get the slope of long-run average cost, and we do that by taking the derivative of the long-run average cost equation. So once we have the long-run average cost equation, we just take the derivative of it, and the derivative of this equation is minus 2 plus 0.02q. The derivative of 1,000 is a constant. That drops out. It is 0. The derivative of minus 2q is just minus 2. And then finally, this last term, we bring the 2 down in front to multiply it through by what's in front here. So we get 2 times 0.01, which is the 0.02 here. And then on this exponent, it's 2 minus 1, leaving us with just q. We're going to set this slope equal to 0. So set the slope equal to 0. That derivative result is set equal to 0. So the derivative result from the last slide is now equal to 0, and we're going to solve for q. So moving 2 over to the right-hand side and dividing through by 0.02. Q equals 100. So when Q equals 100, the per unit cost, the average cost, is minimized. So that's where the firm wants to produce in the long run. So in the long run, the price will just equal long run average cost evaluated at Q equals 100. So we're going to plug Q equals 100 into the long run average cost. So here's our long run average cost equation. I'm just plugging in for Q 100, the minimum point, and we're going to simplify this, and we get $900. So when Q equals 100, long run average cost equals 900, and that's what our price will be. So in the long run, price will equal long run average cost just to make a normal profit. So profit will be 0, price equals average cost. Okay, I hope you found this video helpful.